What's in the box? What do you think's in here?
I think it's a board, and you get to shoot it in the middle.
Oh, you cheated.
I think it's.
I think I see what it says. Blaster boards.
Blaster board.
Are you ready to blast off?
Yeah.
Let's see what it looks like. Ready?
Right.
Blast off!
Why?
Here, some for you.
Why I need a wand?
I'm going to need everybody's help.
What is it?
These are blaster boards. It's kind of like Legos that you use to make forts. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Looks like a target. Pew, pew. We're going to use our Nerf guns.
Oh, Nerf guns?
Yeah.
I don't have a Nerf gun. The Nerf gun's over there.
It just spins around. So when you get the target, it goes like this. Cool. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
I'll be the bad guy and you'll be the good guys. And you're going to build a fort. How do we build it? Good question. I think it works like a Lego, right?
Yeah.
You just, maybe it goes like that. One side has curved ends here, and the other side has like little rod ends, and so they go in together like Legos. So the company sent me a sample of these blaster boards to give you my honest review. This is super fun. I love how it keeps the kids engaged day after day. They can use their existing Nerf toys, and I love how visually engaging these are. They can get really creative. They don't need any hand-holding for this project. So even though we're in the middle of winter, this is a fantastic activity for indoors. Of course, during the summer, we'll want to bring this outside. You can construct it in multiple ways. It includes these really fun targets. So for example, they could build castles, robots, spaceships. You kind of see how we were getting creative together here. So these come with blue attachments that help stabilize the pieces and keep them together either at an angle or flush. These parts stack nicely together, so it's really easy to clean up and store. This kit came with everything that we needed to get started, but I'm definitely going to go back and order some more sets. I think the bigger the better, especially with all these kids stuck at home. We really love this activity. I'm giving my full recommendation. You definitely got to go and grab some.